How to post on TikTok for everyone to see. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post on TikTok and make sure your video is visible to everyone, not just your followers. If you're trying to reach a wider audience, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. Before we jump into posting, it's important to understand TikTok's privacy settings. By default, TikTok gives you the option to make your videos public, private, or visible only to your friends. If you want your video to be seen by everyone, you need to ensure that your video's privacy settings are set to public. So, I'll show you how to do that. First, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of your screen to create a new video. Now it's time to simply record your video or upload a pre-recorded clip from your gallery. Now simply click on the plus your gallery. Go to next. After recording or uploading video, you can simply you can start editing. You can add effects, music, text, whatever you prefer. After that, before you post, this is the where most essential part comes. Here you can see the everyone can view the post or you can view the post. What you need to do is simply click on everyone. This means that anyone, even users who don't follow you, will be able to discover your video. Make sure public is selected to ensure that your video reaches as many people as possible. Once your privacy settings are set to public, you can go ahead and tap the post button. Your video will be now live and visible to everyone, including people who don't follow you. So that's it. Now you know how to post on TikTok for everyone to see by setting your video to public.